दिखाई देगा इधर।
Hello, good evening, my pretty, gorgeous, and lovely ladies. How are you doing, girl? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful పట్టు సారీస్ అండి. వెడ్డింగ్ సీజన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి వీవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్ లో బ్యూటిఫుల్ పట్టు సారీస్ తో మేము ముందుకు వచ్చాను. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ది మనీ క్వీన్స్. Saree which I'm wearing is lovely bottle green, dark bottle green kanchipattu saree with silk brocade, silk colored triangular brocade and beautiful border. It's a traditional border with some intricate lines, zari lines, very lovely border. And this is the gorgeous pallu, diamond florals along with the intricate lines border, and blouse self plain with border. You can go for contrast golden color blouse. E color blouse veskunte adripotundandi. And ee saree pricing and details 13,599 pure Kanjivaram. Take a screenshot along with the code L905. Send us on 733 733 7000. So next saree choose mundu to follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page, alage YouTube lo kuda ma channel Brand Mandir ni subscribe cheyandi, like cheyandi, share cheyandi and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notification. Let's see another saree. Wow, very pretty saree which is in grey color, zari lines, and this is the silver border, some intricate lines, florals and zigzag design. This is the pallu, curvy brocade with florals and blouse. Wow, contrast plain blouse. You can go for silver color blouse, even that looks amazing. And ee saree pricing and details 7,439. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree. Beautiful parrot green with sea green combination. Lovely self and contrast color curvy lines with some blocks and florals, and border is contrast with zari florals, silver and copper zari, and this is the pallu, complete curvy brocade, contrast pallu And the blouse, contrast plain with border. And this beautiful sari, pricing and details. Only 7,119. Take a screenshot along with the code U957. Send us on 733 733 7000. So next is sari. Very pretty peach and pink. Cross thread lines with thread florals. And beautiful paisley border in contrast color. This is the pallu, huge paisleys with floral border and zigzag border. Blouse, contrast plain with border. And it's very soft fabric. And the sari price 11,599. Take a screenshot along with the code Q157. Send us on 733 733 7000 under the sari. Yeah, it's a pista green sari, kanchipattu with copper zari checks and lovely scallop wavy design downside with zari lines as well as kaddi. Pallu, curvy brocade. Blouse, contrast grey color with zari lines. And the sari pricing and details 7,679. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari, lovely white color, white and black combination. Beautiful white sari by the Kanjivaram, dotted buttis along with we got shredded weave, trees and houses. Very pretty. It's just like looking like painting, but it's a weave. And this is the border, self-colored border with zari lines, stems with parrots and florals. Beautiful pallu, kaddi with florals, stems, parrots and florals, leaves. And blouse, self plain with border. And the sari pricing and details 7,679. Take a screenshot along with the code U950. Send us on 733 733 7000. And the sari, lovely yellow color. And up the side we got zari checks. In the middle we got paisleys, vines, and downside plain. Some contemporary style. This is the pallu with cross kaddi and zigzag design here. Little different on the and blouse plain. Self color, you can go for silver color blouse as we got everything in silver zari. Sorry, sari price 6,479. Take a screenshot along with the code is 803. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next sari, beautiful pink, all over in intricate weaves, paisleys, florals, complete silver sari, borderless sari, and this is the pallu, complete leaf brocade, and blouse, contrast, plain, and the sari pricing and details 8,390. Take a screenshot along with the code U951. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful. Another sari. Very pretty Rama green sari with buttas all over the body and lovely border, zigzag rangoli design and cross kaddi. Everything is in copper zari. And this is the pallu, beautiful zigzag brocade, rangoli design and cross kaddi borders, and blouse, self plain, and the beautiful sari pricing and details 8,079. Take a screenshot along with the code R605. Send us on 733 733 7000. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. వావ్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ black Kanjivaram, very pretty zari checks with gold and silver zari and lovely border, plain with diamond brocade along with the green edge contrast. This is the pallu, complete diamond brocade. We got very lovely blouse, green color contrast with border. So pretty. And ee saree pricing and details చూద్దాం. Lovely Kanjivaram black లో అద్రిపోతుంది. 12,399. ఇలాంటి సారీస్ మాత్రం అస్సలు మిస్ చేసుకోదండి, చాలా బాగుంటాయి. వెరీ ప్రిటీ ట్రెడిషనల్ బార్డర్. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా సీ గ్రీన్, అది చాలా బాగుంది. ఒకసారి క్విక్ లుక్. Back to our collection. Let's see another saree. Pink color, very lightweight pattu saree. This is one also kanchi pattu. And manaki self buttas vachai, diamond buttas. And border we got zari checks as well as florals with golden zari and silver zari to checks vachai. And this is the pallu, zigzag design. Blouse, self running blouse. And these are the pricing and details. You can go for silver color blouse, silver or gold. 6,479 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And for more collections, log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. Next saree, sea green with grey combination. Self contrast thread to manaki round buttas vachai. Thread buttas, not zari buttas. And this is the border contrast with zari floral vines, copper and silver zari. Pallu, contrast, complete brocade, drop shape booty brocade along with the round polka booties. And this is the blouse, contrast, plain with border. And the saree price 4,719. Take a screenshot along with the code U942. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful red. Lovely red and green combination. Peacock booties. And this is the contrast border with cross cutty and peacocks and florals. Pallu, contrast with curvy beauties and curvy baby lines and peacocks and rounds border. Blouse, contrast, plain with border. And the saree pricing and details. 13,599. Very lovely Kanjivaram. U943 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Grey and blue, very light grey, very pretty purple shade, beautiful square shaped curvy buttas, any curves vachai, and this is the border contrast with cross curdy and diamond brocade. Pallu is also contrast with diamond brocade and pastels and floral border. Blouse contrast purple color with border, plain with border, and a beautiful saree. Pricing and details 12,799. Take a screenshot along with the code U665. Send us on 733 733 7000. So ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా రెడ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్రైడల్ కాంజీవరం విత్ బాటిల్ గ్రీన్ కాంబినేషన్. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. Back to our collection. Lovely pink and green combination, very pretty. Kanchipattu saree. Maniki thread to cross design ochindi. Very lovely. And beautiful border with temple blocks. Contrast border and pallu contrast with diamonds and zigzag design blocks. Blouse contrast plain with border. Very pretty saree. And the saree price 7,119. Take a screenshot along with the code S807. Send us on 733 733 7000. One more saree. Lovely grey and black, beautiful black kanchipattu saree, and it's a half and half, and half is plain and downside we got contrast with intricate lines, round buttas, pastels, very pretty. This is the pallu, leaf brocade. This is the blouse, contrast, plain. You can custom made this blouse, customize this blouse like this. Sorry, the blouse which I'm wearing, this type, and this beautiful blouse is from our brand, and customized blouses kosam, lehengas kosam, dupattas kosam, contact our brand after Rupamani and the brand from Grandmother, which is exclusive for the unique design. So any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733 733 7000. So each saree pricing and details 11,999. సో బ్లాక్ బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. కస్టమ్ చేసుకుంటే కస్టమైజ్డ్, వెరీ ప్రిటీ. అండ్ సారీ lovely blue and pink combination, beautiful pastels all over the body. Border contrast pink color with zigzag and floral vines. and lovely pallu, complete diamond brocade, very lovely with floral vines border, contrast pallu, and blouse contrast with self brocade and border. So beautiful, very lovely saree and the color matram chala pretty ga undi. And the saree price 15,999. Take a screenshot along with the code again 828. Send us on 733 733 7000. So pretty, very lovely. Let's go on to see one more beautiful saree. Yeah, very pretty peach color, pink and peach. And plain saree, it's a beautiful buttas, floral buttas, self colored only, no contrast. And this is the border, diamond brocade and florals. And this is the pallu, self color with cross gadiyan in the middle. We got lovely floral jal, and blouse self plain with border. So ఇలా గోల్డ్ బ్లౌజ్ తో కూడా బాగుంటుందండి. ఇట్స్ సింగిల్ కలర్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి. అండ్ ఈ శారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ and the saree pricing and details 11,199. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Another saree, beautiful green and pink, pastel booties, pastel and leaf booties all over the body. Border contrast with diamond brocade, temple blocks and round booties along with the temples. This is the pallu, zigzag design with pastels and florals. Blouse contrast plain with border. And the saree pricing and details 8,799. Take a screenshot along with the code O256. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, grey and pink, very lovely diamond design all over the body. Border is contrast with blocks and zigzag design. This is the pallu, zigzag brocade, blouse contrast plain with border. And the saree pricing and details only 5,359. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah. To feel the fabric, to see more collections, you can visit our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Padma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. And this saree, which is in sea blue and green mixed combination, dual toned saree, half and half. Half is plain and downside we got floral jal with a lovely animal weave, like deers, elephants, tigers, peacocks, horses, so many. And this is the pallu, cross checks with diamond buttas. Blouse is contrast with buttas. Very pretty purple color. So beautiful saree and blouse. And the saree price 11,999. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see one more saree. Stunning yellow color. Very pretty florals and leaves. Beautiful border. Plain in the middle, and upper side we got silver zari blocks. And downside floral vines with copper zari. And this is the pallu, leaf booties and cross checks, as well as lovely copper floral vines border. And blouse, self plain with border, self brocade ichindandi blouse. And ee saree pricing and details 15,999. Take a screenshot along with the code K994. Send us on 733 733 7000. And the saree. Lovely magenta pink. Beautiful florals all over the body. Lovely border, cross curdy. Pallu, curvy booties with beautiful peacock border. Blouse, self plain with border. And the saree pricing and details 15,999. Take a screenshot along with the code R588. Send us on 733 733 7000. Pure Kanjivaram sandi. నేను చూపించే sarees అన్ని కంచిపట్టు sarees. Let's see another saree. It's a navy blue saree with intricate blocks design. Lovely border with floral jal and diamond brocade along with the florals. And this is the pallu, huge florals, and blouse, self plain with border. And the saree pricing and details 20,799. Take a screenshot along with the code U949. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another saree. Very pretty parrot green shade with all over Rudraksh booties along with the florals, and very pretty cross curdy border with floral vines and peacocks. And this is the pallu, self color with diamond brocade along with the peacocks and oval shaped blouse, self plain with border, but you can go for contrast like pink and royal blue, and they both goes very well on this. And 19,599 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code K545. Send us on 733 733 7000. And for more collections, log on to our website, that is www.brandmandar.com. Let's go on to see one more lovely saree, which is in peach color. Beautiful floral buttas all over the body and diamond brocade border. Pallu, diamond blocks, cross diamond blocks with intricate design along with the peacock border. Blouse, self plain with border. You can go for zari color, golden color. And this saree pricing and details 11,199. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And you can go for this such kind of blouses. It's a golden color. So for customized blouses, contact our brand After Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another super gorgeous saree. Lovely navy blue with blue color. Very pretty floral buttas all over the body. And lovely traditional border contrast with cross curdy and pastels. And this is the pallu, cross floral vines with curvy round booties. Blouse, contrast plain with border. And the saree pricing and details only 8,399. It's a Kanchipattu sari. E621 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Very beautiful sari. Sea green. Lovely stems with the leaf booties. One stem with leaves. So cute booties. And this is the border. Temples with some intricate lines. This is the pallu. Florals in diamond shaped along with the floral vines border. This saree overall look chusedamandi. This is the blouse. Wow, contrast blouse, plain with border. Very pretty. And saree kuda chala lightweight undi. The saree price 11,599. Let's see the saree overall look once. Lovely pink. Peach color. All over leaf booties. And lovely border. Floral vines and zigzag design. This is the pallu. Curvy booties. Along with the floral border. Blouse. Brocade blouse and self color brocade blouse with border. Andrippoyindi saree. Saree pricing and details 21,599. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Let's see this overall look. Saree overall look ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Very pretty, gorgeous, reddish orange. Kanchipattu saree all over, beautiful florals and parrots all over the body. And lovely kaddi border with peacocks, dual peacocks. This is the pallu, complete diamond brocade along with the peacock border. Blouse, self brocade along with the border. All beautiful one. The saree pricing and details 13,599. Take a screenshot along with the code U952. Send us on 733-733-7000. So lovely. So ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా పీచ్ కలర్ సారీ ప్యూర్ కంచిపట్టు. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఏ క్విక్ లుక్. Now let's see another saree. Grey color, Kanjivaram, with beautiful small floral booties all over the body. This is the border, self color with silver, diamond brocade and florals along with the leaf border. This is the pallu, complete cross checks with diamond brocade along with the floral vines, kaddi with floral vines borders. Blouse, self plain with border. And the saree pricing and details 20,799. Take a screenshot along with the code T342. Send us on 733-733-7000. Lovely orange color, very pretty orange. It's looking like a Kanakambaram color antaru kada, anta subtle ga undi color with checks and floral buttas. Gorgeous border with cross kadi and florals. This is the pallu. Complete cross checks with floral buttas along with the peacock border. Blouse, self plain with border. You can go for the silver color blouse, that looks amazing on this. And this saree pricing and details 19,599. Take a screenshot along with the code L772. Send us on 733 733 7000. And another saree. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. And the saree, which is in peach color with zari checks all over the body, and beautiful zigzag scallop design, wavy design with kadi and zari lines. This is the pallu, curvy booties brocade, blouse, contrast blue color with zari lines. And this saree pricing and details 7,679. Take a screenshot along with the code U944. Send us on 733 733 7000. One more saree. It's a tissue saree, golden tissue, beautiful floral jal all over the body with very pretty florals, a lovely purple border with diamond brocade and floral vines. This is the pallu, contrast with cross checks, leaves to cross checks with leaf buttas and floral borders. Blouse, contrast brocade blouse with border. Very pretty and amazing saree, and it's a pure bridal saree, very rich and royal, and price is just 21,599. Let's see the saree overall look once. Beautiful copperish brown combination with beautiful brown copper booties, floral booties with copper zari, and very pretty border with leaves, cross kadi and florals. This is the pallu, complete cross kadi pallu. Blouse, self brocade blouse, butta sachai with border, and the saree price 27,999. Beautiful brown saree. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Indaka nenu chuinchanu kada, golden tissue saree with purple combination. Let's have it quickly. Let's see another gorgeous saree. And ivi kakunda you can see more collections andi. Just send your convenient timings. What is the best time to call you on video call chesi meeku shop lo unna మిగతా కలెక్షన్స్ అన్ని చూడొచ్చు. మా కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ఒక పర్టికులర్ టైంలో మీకు కాల్ చేస్తారు. సో మీకు ఏ కలెక్షన్ కావాలో చెప్తే దే విల్ బి షోయింగ్ యూ, అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ సారీ. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబలీ విదిన్ హైదరాబాద్. వీ ఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్. అండ్ దిస్ సారీ వెరీ లవ్లీ సీ బ్లూ, all over floral buttas, lovely border with parsleys, peacocks, elephants, zigzag design with orange edge contrast. And this is the pallu, diamond brocade with elephant border and yali border. A beautiful blouse, a self plain with border. You can go for contrast. This orange color blouse, even that looks amazing on this. And a beautiful sari. Pricing and details. 15,199. Take a screenshot along with the code U946. Send us on 733 733 7000. Yes, another sari. Lovely pink and blue sari. Cross buttas, cross blocks with round buttas, and we got oval shaped booties with peacocks in it. Gold and silver sari. This is the border, cross cutty with peacock and elephant border with blue edge contrast. And this is the pallu with cross sleeves, across oval shaped buttas, very lovely. And blouse, contrast purple color, plain with border. And these sari pricing and details 19,199. Take a screenshot along with the code K991. Send us on 733 733 7000. This sari overall look of sari chusedam. Very stunning black, gorgeous purple, very pretty with purple florals, purple shade of florals, which are huge florals. It's a completely weave. And everything is in weave, but it's looking like a painting. It's a weave and oil painting laga vachindi. Beautiful pallu, rich kaddi with huge floral weave. And this is the blouse, plain, self color plain with buttas for sleeves. So lovely. And sari pricing and details, very unique design. 23,999. Take a screenshot along with the code U941. Send us on 733 733 7000. This sari overall look of sari chusedam. Very bright yellow with pink combination. Lovely blocks and peacocks along with the curvy lines and round booties, curvy buttas. This is the border, cross cutty with peacocks, hatsuchai, elephants. And this is the pallu, diamond brocade pallu, blouse, contrast plain with border. And the sari pricing and details 18,399. Take a screenshot along with the code P607. Send us on 733 733 7000. So indaka nenu chuvinchina black color sari. Let's have a quick look. Lovely florals. Now let's see another sari. Very lovely peach shade. Beautiful sari with all over zari checks with florals in it, and lovely border with floral vines and cross cutting along with the leaf booties and blocks. And this is the pallu, diamond brocade, blouse, self buttas, self colored buttas along with the border. And the sari pricing and details 15,999. Take a screenshot along with the code U955. Send us on 733 733 700. Very pretty. Another saree. Parrot green with a sea green combination. All over cross checks with peacocks and round booties. And this is the border, cross checks, cross cutty with florals, peacocks. And this is the pallu, cross blocks with florals along with the pastellays and floral vines border. Contrast pallu and contrast blouse, beautiful blouse with self diamond booties and so pretty. And this saree pricing and details 19,199. Take a screenshot along with the code K187. Send us on 733 733 700. Let's see another saree. Wow. Beautiful saree. Very pretty black and green, sea green combination. Lovely pastel and floral buttas. Pastel and floral butta. And this is the border with some intricate lines, flowers. అక్కడక్కడ పర్పుల్ లైన్స్ కూడా వచ్చాయండి. కంప్లీట్ గోల్డెన్ జరీతో వచ్చింది. పాస్లీస్, ఫ్లోరల్స్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు, peacocks, floral vines and cross cutty borders. Beautiful blouse. Plain, contrast plain with border. And the saree pricing and details 29,199. Take a screenshot along with the code U954. Send us on 733 733 700. Let's see this saree overall look once. Lovely red and green combination. Beautiful leaf shaped buttas. And this is the border. Cross cutty with a triangular and scallop design with florals. This is the pallu, zigzag and kaddi along with the huge pastellays. Beautiful floral buttas vache. Blouse is contrast with triangular weave and border. Saree pricing and details 11,999. Sorry. 11,999. Take a screenshot along with the code P124. Send us on 733 733 700. So, indaka nenu chuinchanu kada black and stunning sea green combination. Let's have a quick look. Very beautiful saree, very lovely. Let's see another saree. Very pretty English shade, very lovely blue. It's a mint shade, mint green shade. Overlapping circles with florals along with the checks. And beautiful peacocks and oval shaped design. Leaf buttas, cross cutty along with the Rudraksh borders. This is the pallu, complete checks with Rudraksh booties, along with the jewel peacock border. Blouse self plain with border. And the saree price 13,599. Take a screenshot along with the code U953. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Beautiful peach and wine shade. Very lovely floral buttas with gold and silver zari. And border is cross cutty with peacocks and round shaped buttas. And this is the pallu. Florals completely with peacock border. Contrast pallu. And contrast blouse plain with border. So lovely. And the saree pricing and details 12,799. Take a screenshot along with the code U945. Send us on 733 733 7000. So lovely. Another shade. This is the green and blue combination saree. Complete floral vines with huge florals and leaves. Contrast border with brocade and floral border. Diamond brocade and floral border. Pallu. Cross cutty zigzag design. Complete brocade pallu. And blouse is contrast with triangular brocade along with the border. So lovely. And the saree pricing and details 14,399. Take a screenshot along with the code Q724. Send us on 733 733 7000. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. And this saree, beautiful pink color, lovely peacocks and Rudraksh booties and cross lines. Border, diamond brocade, cross cutty. Pallu, complete florals. Blouse, self plain with border. Very big border. You can go for silver color blouse also. As janta maniki silver saree to vachindi kabatti. And the saree price 15,199. Take a screenshot along with the code EL351. Send us on 733 733 7000. So indaka nenu chuinchanu kadandi beautiful green, pista green with blue combination. Let's have it quickly. డోంట్ వరీ అండి. సో ఈ సారీస్ అన్ని మీకు వీవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్లోనే అవైలబుల్ ఉంటాయి విత్ ఇన్ 24 hours. సో 24 hours వరకు మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఈ వీడియోస్ చూసి యూ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ సారీ. అండ్ దిస్ వీడియో విల్ బి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, IGTV, ఫేస్బుక్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ యూట్యూబ్. సో 24 hours మీకు వీవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్ అనేది అప్లికబుల్ ఉంటుంది. ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ ఫర్ ఆన్లైన్ అండ్ వెబ్సైట్లో కానీ మీకు ఇన్ స్టోర్లో కానీ ఈ డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది ఉండదండి. సో లెట్స్ సీ అనదర్ సారీ. Very lovely purple tissue saree, copper tissue, very beautiful shade and chala different ga unique ga undi. Complete leaf buttas vachai silver zari to as well as a cross design vachindi, just oka leaf waves laga vachayandi. And this is the border, beautiful cross cutty diamond brocade and paisley border, very rich. And this is the pallu, floral buttas along with the floral border and floral paisleys. Blouse vachesi self brocade blouse with border. Chala beautiful ga undi. And ee saree pricing and details and overall 26,399 and saree price. Take a screenshot along with the code T360. Send us on 733-733-7000. And this saree overall look of saree chusedam detail ga. Very beautiful saree. So follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Alage YouTube lo kuda ma channel Brand Mandir ni subscribe cheyandi, like cheyandi, share cheyandi and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notified. And for more collections log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. And for customized blouses like this beautiful and gorgeous blouses, contact our brand R for Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandir which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733-733-7000. So let's see this beautiful saree and then back to our collection. Mannequin sarees chusedam. So pretty kada saree, different ga, unique ga undi. So let's go to the mannequin sarees and the prices. Very lovely sea green with purple combination, magenta pink combination, very pretty shade with all over diamond and floral buttas. And beautiful contrast border with peacocks and rhythm with copper zari and beautiful cross cutty borders and middle lo anta copper zari tho ochindi peacocks, chala pretty ga undi. And this is the pallu, complete brocade pallu and beautiful blouse with buttas and border, very pretty contrast. And this saree price 23,999. Take a screenshot along with the code R596 and is on 733-733-700. And this beautiful blouse is from our brand, very pretty Zardozi pure raw silk blouse with sequins and silver Zardozi, amazing. Next saree, stunning red, lovely Kanjivaram with drop shape buttas all over the body with gold and silver zari combination. Border is self plain with beautiful motifs, paisley style, paisley is design lagundi. And this is the diamond brocade border, pallu, blouse self color plain. And the saree price 17,599. Take a screenshot along with the code R135. Send us on 733-733-7000. And this beautiful blouse is from our brand again. It's not included in saree and the blouses and the customization change poly. And this pretty saree which is in royal blue and peacock blue combination. Beautiful paisleys and drop shape booties all over the body. Lovely checks border with peacocks and rudraksh along with the diamonds. And beautiful pallu, checks with peacocks, rudraksh and diamonds. Blouse running self color plain with border. And e saree pricing and details 10,076. Take a screenshot along with the code H463. Send us on 733 733 7000. And this beautiful blouse is from our brand again. Beautiful Kadana, Zardozi and sequin stone work. Very lovely. So, ilanti gorgeous blouses kosam contact our brand, our Rupam and another brand from Grandmother, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. As it's a wedding season, come down to our store to watch beautiful Kanjivarams and wedding collection over Mandir, and it's at road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills, and we are taking every precaution in this pandemic. So let's see the collection once. So ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను చూపించిన sarees. If you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now.
మళ్ళా పెడతా పెట్టు తీసేనంట తీసే
So some more collections are here. ఇది చాలా నచ్చేసింది నాకు, చాలా యూనిక్ గా ఉంది విత్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్లోరల్స్. సి ఎంత న్యాచురల్ గా రియలిస్టిక్ గా ఉందో, నాకైతే చాలా నచ్చిందండి బ్లాక్ సారీ. చూసారు కదా వాటి స్టన్నింగ్ కంచి పట్టు కలెక్షన్స్. మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 733 733 7000. అండ్ 24 hours వరకు వీవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్ అనేది అప్లికబుల్ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ దిస్ లైవ్ వీడియో విల్ బి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, ఐజీటీవీ, ఫేస్బుక్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ యూట్యూబ్. సో 24 hours వరకు మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబలీ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్. So రేపటి లైవ్ లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. Until then, bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, eat healthy. Until then, bye bye. Take care.